In this video, me and a couple of my buddies went out and slayed giant bass on my Hook'em Outdoors lures. The green pumpkin was a very popular color for the bass today. Me and my buddy both caught our PB, so stay tuned to the end because we had a great day of fishing. Alrighty, first cast. Look at all those bait fish, dang. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah, very good size. Holy cow. Holy cow, it's a jumbo. He's fighting hard, dude. Jeez. No, I'm good. I mean, I might need help to land it because he's a fighter. Look at all that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's a tank. Holy cow. Holy cow. Jeez, dude. That's a tank.
Dang.
Alrighty, guys. Just landed an absolute tank on the Hook'em Outdoors Watermelon Senko. This thing's giant. It was fighting like crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Whoo!
Look at that.
We're gonna get a weight on her. Let's get a weight on this. Here we go.
Let's see it.
Oh, gotta reset. Alright. awkward sometimes when I turn it on before. Alright.
Interesting.
Holy cow.
586.
What a slob, dude.
Let's see it.
This thing was fighting like insane, too.
It didn't even jump at the end.
I know.
It didn't even jump until the end.
DK. 586. 586. Hook 'em Outdoors. Watermelon Senko. Where did that thing go? Here it is. On the Watermelon Senko. Just a comparison. Look at that. Now let's give it a release. Jeez, dude. Oh my gosh, shut the tank.
Dang. It's a good
Alrighty.
bass.
Good. Alrighty, guys, that's already one fish on the Hook 'em Outdoors Watermelon Senko. 586. See if we could get more. A couple more minutes after that bass, I just couldn't seem to get any more bass or any more action, so that is when I switch up spots to the other side of the pond. We'll go to that over there.
Yo, let's make a move.
Where? That's a bass? Is it still there? That was a bass, bro? Was that it? Did he just snap you off? How big was that thing?
That was a big fish.
Bro, what is your line and leader?
It's 20 pounds.
Jeez, and it snapped you off on a spinnerbait too?
Alright, come to Papa.
Yeah. Like, was that 6 or 5 pounds? What do you think?
Maybe 7.
Dang, bro, that stinks. It's an unfortunate feeling.
Whose backpack's that one?
It's Sky's. Alrighty, guys, I'm switching up from the Watermelon Senko that I caught the 5.8 on, created by me. When these things are dropped, guys, go get yourself a pack of these and you will catch your PB. So I think I'm gonna switch up to, gotta pull out the goods. DK has the red one on, so we'll see if he catches anything on that. Let's go. I'm going the Motor Oil. It's like a green and brown color with bronze flakes in it. It's a nice color right there. Hook 'em Outdoors brand. And we're gonna tie this puppy on, and we're gonna retire the 5.8 catching machine and put this on. So yeah. After I tied that on, we were gonna move ponds. That is until DK caught a buzzer beater slob in this pond. Oh my gosh, he's onto a giant. It's a nice one. It's like a 3-pounder on the Hook 'em Outdoors red lure. Right when we were about to leave too. That's your PB, right?
That could, yeah, I think that's my PB.
What is that like?
Let's weigh it.
3, high 3, I'm saying 389.
Okay, what do you think it is?
I'm gonna guess that's like, I don't know, I'm thinking.
Right when I stopped recording on my GoPro.
Are you recording now?
Yeah. This one's going. We can use my scale if you need. Hold up that red lure you were using.
Oh,
with it.
4.
Oh,
Ooh, it's not bad.
459. That's a
Hold
giant.
that, John.
Hold that thing up with the red Hook 'em Outdoors lure.
No. Okay, let me go.
Where's the lure?
Hold it. Inside.
Where's the lure at?
It's in this mouth.
Actually?
No, it's fell off.
It did?
Take a picture? Can I take a picture of my phone?
Yeah, I got you.
Here.
Give him a nice gentle release.
He's a good boy.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Nice fish. That's what I'm talking about.
USPB for me.
DK caught it on this right here. The Cherry Smash
Dude.
Hook'em Outdoors lure.
Loki looks good.
Atta boy.
You.
Alrighty guys, we are pond hopping from this pond to another one. Still using the Hook'em Outdoors Senko, so don't worry. DK, buzzer beater slob, 459.
This thing's like slob,
And Skylar is about to catch a giant in the next pond we're going to. What are you using? Nice.
How are you working up? You just digging it?
Yeah, I'm just going like, and then it just goes like that pretty much. I seem to like it.
Like that?
Yeah, cause like I tried just going on the bottom and jigging. Doesn't really work, so I just slowly reel it and kind of just twitch my rod. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, I can't. Anyway.
Do you have to put lighter line on or something?
Huh?
You have to put lighter line on, or is it just the reel?
I think it's just the wheel. Hold on.
Probably have to oil it up. How long have you had it for?
Bought this thing like 2019, 2018.
Dang.
Oh my, yeah.
Monitoring the bus. Ah. Yeah, it's a little guy. Yeah, he's like 3. It's a nice one. Ah, that stinks. I gotta stop trying to boat flip them. They keep coming off when I do that.
Oh, I got it! I got it! Oh no, it came off!
Here, go, 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 go. I don't know why I keep doing that, bro. Alrighty guys, after that just happened, now I gotta switch to the green pumpkin. Hook'em Outdoors Senko. Kinda disappointed in that. I really have to stop trying to boat flip 3-pounders and above. Well, now I know. But let's get this rigged on. They just can't stop eating Hook 'em Outdoors Senkos. It's a dream. And craws for that matter. They love the craws. Alrighty. Let's get back out there. Oh, let's hope that this green pumpkin produces. This color normally does very well in this pond especially. As time kept passing, I just wasn't getting anything. That is until by far the craziest part of the day happened. Right when it fell, hooked up. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah. Very big. Very big, very big. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Land it, land it, land it. Oh, I can't lose this thing, Skylar. Like 6. Ow! Dude! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is my PB.
This is 8, 9.
Nah, it's 6. I got the scale, I got the scale. Yo. Alright, I'm gonna have to ask you to film me again, sir. Caught a nice bass. Where are you? Oh, I caught a nice bass. Yeah, largemouth bass. There's big ones in here. Alright, just caught a
Oh, there you go.
giant bass, guys. On. Where's the worm? Right here. Hook 'em Outdoors green pumpkin worm. I'm gonna get a final weight on this guy. Holy cow. Dude, look at the gut. Alright,
It's not long, but it's so fat.
I know. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I see it.
Ah, dang it. Holy cow. 696, guys.
Yo,
696.
insane.
Come on, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Dude. 696. Oh. Largemouth bass.
Thing's giant, bro. Look at the mouth on that thing. Alright, let's see a little release.
Alrighty. Let me get some photos
Oh, yeah.
with my lure next to it. Alrighty.
Let's get you a release.
Alright, guys. Let's release this giant. Holy cow. 696, guys. Almost a 7-pound bass.
Oh, I won't drop your phone.
Holy cow. I'm gonna hook 'em outdoors. Alrighty, guys. Just caught my PB on a Hook 'em Outdoors green pumpkin Senko. Holy cow. I'm so happy that happened. My GoPro died towards the end of the fight. I just switched out batteries though, because that thing was an absolute tank. I'm gonna keep fishing. You wanna know when I'd probably be fishing? Bro, it's gonna be sad. Actually no, it'll be.
No way.
Oh no, that's where Eddie got hooked yesterday.
Eddie fished yesterday?
Yeah.
Did you catch the fish?
Yeah. That's the rope again. This is like some Fortnite no-scope spot right here. Yo, you same thing I got hooked on. Yeah. As I was trying to get my lure back from the rope, DK and Skylar doubled up. Oh. Do you need the scale? Onto a nice 2-pounder, you're saying? How big is it? Oh, that's a good one.
That's not 2.
That's like 3.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Show me what you gotta do, bro.
I couldn't get DK's bass caught on camera because one of my GoPro batteries died. Alrighty, the brothers doubled up.
Let's get a picture, Scott.
3 5s,
Guys, get a picture.
3.5s. So there's some good bass right there.
Cut it off.
Yeah. You can let Sky try if he says you can.
Scott, he's like swallowing it.
Yeah, I know.
There you go. Nice, Sky. Unfortunately, after a great day of fishing, all my GoPro batteries died, but I caught this off camera. Alrighty, another nice bass, guys. Probably high 3-pounder on my Hook'em Outdoor craws this time. Switching it up with the crawdaddies. Fell in the water somewhere, but that is a nice one. Let's get a weight on him. Alright. Alrighty, guys. Let's get a weight on this giant. Here we go. 376.
Woo!
It's almost a 4-pound fish.
Dude, it's
So
chill.
I'm gonna get some pictures and
Get a little,
release it. Gullet shot.
boom.
Look at this thing, guys.
Thumbnail. You're throwing the fish in the air.
Alright, now let's get some pictures.
Yes, sir. You want it this way? Yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Alrighty, guys. Overall, solid day of fishing. Caught my PB. He caught his PB.
Dude.
This place right here, wonderful. Thank you guys for watching. When Hook'em Outdoors lures are released, make sure to go buy some. All my
sir.
fish today were caught on the Hook'em Outdoors Senkos and Craws.
God bless.
Subscribe. I'll see you guys.
See ya.